Welcome to Stellar Hosting. Let's add MX records. MX records, short for Mail Exchange Records, are special DNS settings that tell the internet where to deliver your emails. They are like postal address for your domain's email. For example, if someone sends an email to support@yourdomain.com, the MX records ensure that messages get delivered to the correct server. Without MS records, emails sent to your domain simply have nowhere to go. They will bounce back or get lost. And here's why MS record matters for your custom email. It helps email delivery. Without correct MS records, your emails won't reach your inbox. It shows professionalism. Having you at yourdomain.com looks way more professional than a Gmail or Yahoo address. It shows reliability. Properly configured MS records prevents lost or delayed messages. It helps in spam reduction. Some mail services use MX verification to reduce spam and spoofing. If you're setting up a custom email service like Google Workspace, Zoho Mail, or any third-party email provider, you will need to add MX records to your domain. In this video, I'll show you how to add MX records for custom domains in cPanel step by step. To do this, you will need access to your cPanel, the MX record details from your email service providers, and your domain name. Now let's get started. Log into your cPanel account. Once you're on the dashboard, scroll to the domain section and click on Zone Editor. In the Zone Editor, locate the domain you want to manage and click Manage next to it. This will open your domain's DNS records. Click on Add Records and from the drop-down, select MX Records. You will need to fill in some fields like your name. Here, type in your domain name, TTL, which is time to leave. Leave this as default. Enter the priority number provided by your email host. Lower numbers means higher priority, and also your destination. Here, enter the mail server address from your email provider. Once you've entered the details, click Save Record. After adding the MX records, scroll through the list and make sure there are no conflicting MX records from your hosting provider unless your email service says otherwise. If your domain has old or default MX records, it's a good idea to remove them to avoid conflicts. Simply click the delete button next to any outdated MX records. Your domain should now only have the correct mail records for your new email service. DNS changes don't take effect instantly. It can take anywhere from a few minutes up to 24 hours for the new MX records to fully propagate worldwide. You can track the process using a free online tool like dnschecker.org. Just watch our video on how to check DNS propagation status. You can also try sending a message from one account to your new custom email. If you receive it successfully, congratulations, your MX records are working perfectly. If not, double check the values you entered for typos or missing details. And that's how you add MX records for custom email in cPanel. Simple, clean, and effective. If you have any questions or confusions, drop them in the comments below or contact our support for assistance. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video to friends who need Stellar Hosting services. Also, subscribe for more easy web hosting tutorials with Stellar Hosting. See you in the next video.